All right, thanks for watching. I'm going to show you guys how to replace your battery in your BMW key fob. This one is very common. And what you're going to do, if yours looks like this, flip it over. I believe it's the F series. Push this button and slide that key out. There's a button right here. Once you pull that out, turn it over. This slid out of here, but if you move over here, you put your key in there and you pop it. That's all you do. I'll show you guys what's holding it, and I'll point it out with this razor. The only thing holding it is this little clip right here by the tip of my razor. Probably come closer to you guys so you guys can see that. It's right there. So we just popped it up. It takes a huge battery. It's called a CR2450. And if your key is not working at all and you put a new battery in, you're probably going to have to scrape these little tiny prongs on the tips. Just take a little razor blade and scuff them up very soft. Don't break those little prongs. And just scuff that up over here. And also on the sidewall over here is where your contacts are. So if you're not getting contact, that could be the reason. But if you want a new battery, just order one. You can get them on Amazon. I saw them on eBay. I think they're like $8, but make sure you buy name brand. You don't want to mess around with something that isn't. But I actually don't have to change my battery. I'm only showing you guys how to get in there. If you could see the different size, the common size for the 2032, like for a Honda or something like that, that's that size. But this one takes a huge battery, CR2450. This one's made by Sony. So that's about it. And when you want to put this back on, you slide the bottom in first, this part right here, and then you snap it. And that's it. And then we're going to slide this back in. Oh, I didn't pop it good. Jeez. Okay. Try that again. It felt like it snapped, but it must not have. There you go. Got it. Sorry about that. Put this back together, and that's how you replace the battery. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.